invited me to be a lecturer for the Tombaugh Club meeting. And I checked the list of previous lecturers, and it's an impressive list of people and a lot of interesting subjects. I'm honored to have the opportunity to be a presenter and be added to the list of the Tombaugh Lecture Series. So let's talk about the path a little bit. The 2024 eclipse is a big deal because people who saw 17 are going to want to see 24. People who missed 17 heard all the stories about it, so they're going to want to see 24. There'll be more hype about the 24 eclipse. It crosses many more major metropolitan areas. It's estimated that 31 million people live in the path, and 150 million people live just within 200 miles of the path. And it's a long eclipse. It's relatively long. The eclipse hits the coast of Mexico at 4 minutes and 27 seconds. The point of greatest eclipse is in Mexico at 2 minutes and 28 seconds. It hits the border with Texas at 4 minutes and 26 seconds. And it is a 4-minute eclipse all the way almost through totally the state of Indiana. So about half of this eclipse path in the United States is greater than 4 minutes. And it leaves Maine at 3 minutes and 21 seconds. So just to put that in perspective, you know, the 1991 eclipse in Mexico was like 6 minutes and 53 seconds. The 17 eclipse at the point of greatest eclipse in Kentucky was 2 minutes and 40 seconds. The next really long eclipse is in Egypt in 2027. It's about 6 minutes and 23 seconds. And the longest possible eclipse you could have, if all the geometry is right, is about 7 minutes and 31 seconds. So having a 4-minute eclipse that you don't have to travel to internationally is a big deal.